Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be walking you guys through some activities that you can do at home with materials you have around the house or maybe even in your recycle bin. Today we'll be focusing on paper airplanes. Let's get to it! Fold it in half horizontally, corner to corner. Unfold. Now bring the outer corner in to the center line. Do the same with the other side. Now bring the folded corner in to the center line. And again do the same with the other side. Fold it back again along the center line. Now bring the outer edge of the wing down to meet the edge of the plane. Be sure you're pressing firmly when you fold your plane so that the edges are crisp. And there you have your basic paper airplane. This next plane is a little more complicated, but gets us much greater distance. Start by folding diagonally so the top of the page is in line with the edge. Once you've made your crease, unfold and do the same with the other side. You can use the crease as a guide to help fold this one. Unfold again, and now fold the entire page horizontally. Unfold. Now we are going to start making our wings. Bring the top part of the one side in to one of our creases and fold again. Do the same with the other side, overlapping the corners. Now we're going to take the top end and bring it down to the bottom, using that center line to help center it. Make sure it's flush with the bottom. Now we're going to bring our top corners in to the X we've made with our creases. Now we're going to unfold and bring the skinny end back up so it's in line with the creases we've just made. It will stick out a little bit from the top. Now we're going to fold our wings in on themselves. Now fold them in again once more, this time covering over that center piece we've folded up. Now it's time to deal with the narrow end on the top. We are going to fold it down so it covers the corners of our wings. Make sure to crease this part extra firmly so it holds together. Now we're going to fold along our center line again. This might be a little tricky because we have so much paper in there. Bring the wings back down in line with the body of the plane and crease them. And there's your plane. We're going to start this plane the same as the last one, bringing the top corner down to the side and lining up the top of the page with the side of the page. Unfold and do the same with the other side, following the crease again. Now unfold and bring the two side triangles together and the top one down over top. This is a little tricky the first time. You should end up with a point at the top of your paper and a flap on each side. Bring each flap up to the top corner, creating a diamond. Now we're going to fold the entire thing in half, corner to corner. Again, this might be a little tricky because there's a lot of paper. You can ask your big person for help. Next, we're going to fold right down the middle. Now bring each of the wings down about an inch below the center fold. Make sure your wings are in line. And there you have your glider. Now with this one, we're going to start with our paper horizontally, and we're going to fold it in half. Now unfold and bring the top corner to meet the center line, folding so that it creates a crease down to the bottom corner. Take a little extra time to make sure that you have a smooth crease all the way down and that the edge doesn't peek over the center line. Do the same with the other side so that the corners meet in the center. Now, take the whole plane and where the 2 points meet, fold the paper down. Now unfold and fold it so that the top of the paper lines up with the crease we just made. Now bring this doubled paper over again at that crease. Now we fold again along the center line, and about an inch above the center fold, we fold our wings. Do the same with the other side, making sure that the corners line up. Now with this one, we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to fold down the very tips of the wings. This will make our plane more sturdy when it flies. If you want, you can also cut a couple of slits on the edge of the plane Gently fold these flaps upward to allow your plane to do loops. Now that you've got the basics down, here's a few tricks to make your planes work a little better. You can use a paper clip to hold the nose. This will hold the plane together as well as add a little bit of extra weight, making your plane go a little further. If you want your plane to spin as it flies through the air, fold over the corner and fold back so it stands up just a little bit. This will catch the air and cause it to spiral through the air. Another way you can modify your planes is by cutting flaps at the ends of the wings. These are what are called ailerons on a plane. You can tip them up or down. When they're tipped up, the wind will catch the top, causing the nose to go upward. And if you tip them down, the wind will catch the bottom, bringing the nose back down. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to recycle your airplanes!